I have just finished making Pedro's perch. He's just familiarizing himself with it. He hasn't played with this thing yet, but I hope he will. Soon, innit? You'll play with that one. So he's got a little... He loves that one. He likes tugging the bell, and he's got lots of bells everywhere. And he hasn't discovered his mate yet, but he loves this little frog figurine. So I think when he finds him, he'll play with him as well. You like that one? You're just discovering all these different things, aren't you, Pedro? Ooh, what is that? That spins around. That is cool. So this is going to be Pedro's hangout during the day, and I think he's going to be one happy bird. Come on. What about this one, Pedro? Check this one out. I'll look at you. What's that one? What is this one? Have you checked that one out? Hey, that looks cool, isn't it? That looks cool. So many things for you to chew on. I'm going to have to tie that one off in there, because I think you like that. Ooh. What is that? Okay, we have to insert this into, you think, in here. It's saying don't play with it. Okay, I'm going to insert that one there, Pedro. Need to tighten that. There you go. Hey, that actually made it better. Look, you haven't even checked out your cuttlefish bone. What's that one? Cuttlefish bone. Oh, you just jumped straight into my hand. What about that one? Oh, look. Okay, what about that one? Hey? Ooh, you don't like that one. Come on, hop in there. Very good. No, go back to your play, Jim. Come on. Go back there. Oh, look at that one. Check that one out. Check that one out. He just wants to go flying around. Oh, he's playing with my earrings. You're playing with my earrings. Yes. You like those earrings on you? Yes, love those earrings. Okay, you're gone camera conscious again. Flying around. Ah, no, come on, come on, come on. Look at you, flying around. Yes, very good. Ooh, look at this one. Pedro, hey, you haven't seen Froggy yet. Come on, where are you? Yes, you stay there. Hey, look, Pedro, here, look, come. Oh, look, Mr. Froggy here. Mr. Froggy, Mr. Froggy, Mr. Froggy, Mr. Froggy. Look at this one. You still hasn't Mr. Froggy. Look at this one. That's it, come on. Come. You're just happy to see me. Come on, come on. Come on, go, go. Running around my back. Yes, okay, you stay there. Okay, you stayed there. Did you have a good sleep? You had a good sleep, didn't you? Huh? You're happy. You're happy today. You're happy every day as long as you're out of your cage. What's this one, Pedro? Look. Ooh, look. Got a little swing. Got a little swing. Oh, look at that one. Hey, check it out. Ooh. Ring the bell. You can ring my bell. Ring my bell. My bell. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. Come on. You can ring my bell. Ring my bell. My bell. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Hey, Pedro, you like that one? You like that one? Hey, you like that one, baby? Oh, oh, look at you. Look at you. Hey, who's the beautiful boy? Who's the beautiful boy? You're a beautiful boy, aren't you? Oh, what is that? It's a little birdie outside. You hear the little birdie outside? Okay, I'll leave you to it. Okay, you're sleepy tight now. Ooh, what's that? What was that? What's that, Pedro? What is that? Oh, okay. Kiss, kiss. Bye.
I'm going to sit in here. Thank you. Hey, you sweet baby. Come here. The crack is down. Thank you,